just luck. So yesterday we had relay number 44 go bad. So we only had one fan running and we overheated in about 4 laps. And then yesterday on the way home, I noticed that my car was pulling right. So today I see that my flare is rubbing on this side. And the tire, or the car's a lot lower on this side. Hop underneath it. And my angle kit's bent. So, looks like we'll be getting a new angle kit here soon. So I just raised the coilover just to compensate for it, and we'll go back out and send it. But that freaking sucks. All right, Joey, we're gonna get your car tuned for the drift event.
All right, pal. So let's have some fun.
At the end of the tandem, we had a clunk. And check this out. So the welds that I did previously held up for Grandsport, but they did not held up to here. So luckily they have a welder. I'm gonna borrow a welder, try to get this welded back on, and then maybe we can send it a little bit more. Freaking sucks. The one thing that could have happened. rack broke again. So we're done for the day. Woo! Fun stuff. So now we're just gonna get some footage of Max and the GTS crew, and we'll upload some of that and send it to them so they can do their YouTube video. But unfortunately, that's it. So I don't know, I'm just laying under here. No jack stands, just a Harbor Freight jack. Maybe it'll do its thing. We'll see.